I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. I'm back with my lectures, still on aldehyde and ketones. Two isomeric alcohol, W and X, have the molecular formula C4H9OH, which is butanol. W is oxidized to carbonic compound Y, which gives a red precipitate with Fairlane solution. That means W should be what? W will be equal to what? So W should be what? The primary alcohol, which is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, which is butanol, which is a primary alcohol. If it is oxidized, it will give an aldehyde that gives a red precipitate with Fairlane solution. Then X is oxidized to carbonic compound Z, which does not give a red precipitate with Fairlane solution. That means X will be a secondary alcohol, which is CH3, CHOH, CH2, then what? CH3. So if it is oxidized, it will give what? Butan 2-one, which is butanol, which is the ketone that does not give a red precipitate with Fairlane solution. So you are now asked which of W and X gives a yellow precipitate with alkaline solution of what? Iodine. So if you look at X contains what? CH3, CHOH group. So when it is oxidized, it will give you what? It will give you a ketone. It will give you a ketone that contains a methyl what? Ketone group. So X, you are not asked which of X, W and S gives a yellow precipitate with alkaline solution of iodine. So X will give a yellow precipitate with alkaline solution of what? Iodine. So the correct answer to this question is what? C. X only is the correct answer, which is what? C. W is wrong because if you oxidize W, you're going to get what? You are going to get butanol, which does not contain a methyl ketone group. So it will not give a yellow precipitate with an alkaline solution of what? Iodine. A is wrong. A, because A says insufficient data is given to answer this question. No, you have sufficient data to answer this question. So what? A is wrong. D is also wrong. Neither W nor X. No, D is also wrong. So the correct answer to this question is what? C, which is what? X only, that contain what? CH3, CHOH group, which is secondary alcohol, that when react with an alkaline solution of iodine, it will be oxidized to what? Butanol, that contain what? It oxidized to butanol, which is CH3, CO, CH2, then CH3, which contain what? A methyl ketone group that will give a yellow precipitate with an alkaline solution of what? Iodine. So it's as simple as ABC. Attempt as many questions as possible, and feel free to reach out to me if you encounter any challenge or any difficulty. I'm always there for you. I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. Thank you very much. Still on aldehyde and ketones. I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. I'm back with my lectures. So still on aldehyde and ketones. Before I say typical chemistry A-level question on aldehydes and ketones. Compound Y is heated with a mild oxidizing agent. One of the products of the reaction reacts with hydrogen cyanide, forming 2-hydroxybutane nitrile. What is compound Y? So this is a reaction that has to do with what? The formation of what? A hydroxyl nitride by a reaction of an aldehyde or ketone with hydrogen cyanide. Now, since it involves what? The cyanide group, there's an extra carbon atom that is what? That a nitrile contains. So the product, there will be an extension of the carbon chain as a result of what? The nitrile group. Now, compound Y is an alcohol. So when you oxidize, you either get an aldehyde or ketone. So what is compound Y? So we are going to look at the options. We are going to look at the options. Take a look at the options. If you look at, let's analyze compound A. Compound A is butanol. So A is not the answer because if you oxidize butanol, you are going to get butanol. So if you react with the hydrogen cyanide, you are going to get a hydroxy propane nitride because of the extension of what? The carbon atom on the nitride group. So A is wrong. A is not the answer. Then B is also wrong because B is not the answer because you are going to get hydroxy pentane nitride instead of butane nitride. So the answer is either C or D. But if you look at, let's look at the option. If you look at C, which is what? Propanol. If you oxidize propanol, you are going to get propanol, which is CH3, CH2, then CHO. then react it with what? Hydrogen cyanide, which is undergoing nucleophilic addition. So you are going to get what? CH3. You are going to get CH3, CH2, CH, OH, then Cn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 2-hydroxy, 2-hydroxy, butane nitride. Butane what? Nitride. So the correct answer to this question is what? C. So compound Y is what? C. D is also what? D is also wrong, because if you add hydrogen cyanide to, if you oxidize propan 2-ol, you are going to get ketone. Then if it undergoes nucleophilic addition with hydrogen cyanide, you are not going to get 2-hydroxy butane nitride. So you are going to get what? 2-hydroxy, 2-methyl what? Butane nitride. So the correct answer to this question is what? C. C is the correct answer. It's as simple as ABC. Attempt as many questions as possible, and feel free to reach out to me. If you encounter any challenge or any difficulty, I'm always there for you. I'm Mr. Joseph, your chemistry teacher. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, share, and reach out to me if you encounter any challenge or any difficulty. I'm always there for you. I'm Mr. Joe, your chemistry teacher. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Mr. Joe, your chemistry teacher.